Hey guys, what is up? Today's vlog is going to be a thrift with me video. I haven't thrifted in quite a while. I have a couple things like on the list that I kind of am looking for. We're gonna go to a couple places around where I live. If you guys don't know, I kind of live in the country-esque. So this morning we are going to go to a couple places like near me, and then later on today we're gonna go into the city and see what we can find in the city. So yeah, let's do this. I really want like an old westerny type jacket like this, but unfortunately this is real leather suede and I definitely don't want real leather or suede. So I really want like Harley Davidson shirt. So I am gonna take a look through all the black t-shirts. I don't really need any other colors, but I'm gonna save some time and just go through the black ones. No luck with the Harley Davidson t-shirts, so I'm gonna go to ladies jackets and see what we can find. Found this, which has this like really pretty detailing on the back, some fringe. I kind of like it. So there's also this dress. It's like, it's hard to show you, but it's like long sleeve. I'm gonna try it on. I thought with like a hat, boots in the summer, it could be really, really cute. Okay, so here is this dress. Honestly, has no shape to it, or like I feel like I'm going for a job interview. So here's this top. It's cute, but I don't know if I love it. The length is a bit, like I'd rather it be a little bit longer. The back's really cute. I don't think I'm sold on it. That was a bit of a bust. There wasn't really anything at Talese, so I am at Value Village now. Yeah, we're gonna have a look. Hopefully we have a little bit better luck here. Let's start in home. They have a bunch of these like little doilies, which I think are really, oh my, I think that, oh my gosh. Just for like maybe sitting on my desk. Yeah, I need to see some of these. So they have this one, which is kind of like a square. It is a square. They have this one, which is like a little more of a rectangle. And then they have this one, which is a circle. I just thought one of these would look really pretty on my desk, but I don't know which one. They literally have so many of these and they're only like 99 cents. These would look really good under plants. Ooh, what is this one? It's got like colors in it. Now I don't know. See, this one's $1.99 because it's a little bit bigger. So I found this. It's pretty big. But I thought this could look really cool, like sitting on a bed or maybe layered on top of a different carpet. I really like it. So I'm just in the bedding section right now, but they have this like really cool, this burlap bag. I don't know what you would do with it, but I think it's really cool. Something we're looking for today is a small little thing that I can sit on the floor beside my bed and kind of like multi-purpose it as a side table. So this is really cool. You can actually put stuff in it. I don't like the color, like the color doesn't match my room at all. Hats is like also another like section I really want to look at. This is really cool, but it's red, and so I don't think I would wear a red hat. This one's really cool too. I like just like the metal detailing on it, but yeah, this would not fit my head. It is really tiny. So I'm just in the belts, and this right away caught my eye. I think it could be really pretty with like a long skirt. So maybe we'll try it on. Got a couple things. I'm gonna head over to the ladies' clothes now and sort through some jackets, see what other good stuff we can find. I see something. Oh. I don't know if you guys can tell now, but I really like this like knitted kind of material, but this is a vest and I don't, oh, it's weird. It's like completely open to the bottom. It's cute in theory, but I found one cute thing that I liked. I'll show you. It's like a rose dress, really long. Thought that was really cute, so put that in the cart. I really like this mustardy color, so we'll give this we'll give this a try. When it comes to dresses, I think I really like that like floral small pattern, you know? So I found this dress, which has this really pretty detailing down the side with the buttons. So I'm gonna give her a go. Whenever I try on a skirt, I always go like this. And then kick my leg out. I'm like, every single time I pick up a skirt. So as much as I really like this, she's a very tight in this area. So I like this, but just doesn't seem like my color scheme, I think. Okay, so now I'm at Plato's Closet. What do you guys think? Is Plato's Closet thrifting? I think it is, but I can see how some people would think maybe it isn't. I'm gonna go in and see what they have. There is another Value Village. I'm actually in my hometown right now, and maybe we'll do one more Value Village and call her a day. Guys, I really like this. Maybe for like my bullet journal markers, and it's kind of my style. I really like the buttons on this. This is really cool. It does have a ton of stains on it. Okay, one more step. I really like the colors of this scarf. Do you guys think I could pull this off? $4.99. I've been looking for a nice scarf. So I am home now. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I thought we'd do a quick little haul at the end of this because I didn't find like an overly large amount of stuff. I think that I need to go thrifting kind of in Toronto, in the city, and maybe that's kind of more my style. Maybe I'll have more luck there. I don't know. So these are the little doilies that I got. Oaks really likes this. Got 2 different ones, and then I also got this belt. I also got this t-shirt. Thought it was really pretty. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet. Probably just with like a skirt or something like that. These are the 2 hats that I found. Looks like this. Hat number 2 is a little bit more western-y. I feel like that's kind of my style, like boho western. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Then I got this dress, kind of like this higher neckline, but it's a really gorgeous color. I got this, which is very like Jurassic Park. It's actually by Community, so kind of a score. And yeah, it's just this like big oversized, you guys saw that in a clip of me trying it on. I also got this little pouch. That is it, my friends. That is my thrift haul. Thank you guys for coming thrifting with me. I had a blast with you guys. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I got puppies to feed. Bye guys.